Good morning, children. Welcome to our next class. In last class, you learned about cooking methods, cooking appliances, and what's the meaning of raw food and cooked food. This all you learned in last class, right? So in today's class, you are going to learn about food across India. In our country, there are different states, and you take India map and see the south side states, north side states, west and east side states. You might have learnt all this in your social subject. So see the direction south, east, north, west directions of our India map, and there are different regions are there. Different region people will eat different types of food. Are all they eating same kind? No, not at all. They'll eat different kinds of food depending on the region where they are living. That's what we are going to see in our today's lesson. In south side people what they are eating, in north people what they'll eat, and why they are eating different types of food, how they are differentiate between each other. That's all we are going to learn in today's lesson. So in this chapter the keywords are Bhel Puri, B-H-E-L, Bhel, P-U-R-I, Puri, Bhel Puri, C-H-A-P-P-A-T-I, Chapati, D-I-M-S-U-M, Dim Sum. So these words, you can use these words and learn the spellings well and use it while writing the worksheet, children. Okay. So now we will move to South India. What food items are famous in South India we will see. Then tell me, we all are belongs to, our Hyderabadi people belongs to which side of India? Are we from north? Are we from east or west or from south? If you see these food items, you can definitely guess we are from which part of India. Yes, we are from South India. So we belongs to south part of India. So here the famous food is curd rice. Curd rice and sambar, idli. Idli sambar, curd rice are famous in South India. And then when we go to North India, there chapati, paneer and pulses. These are the food items famous in North India. And now when we go to west side of India, there pav bhaji, bhel puri and fish curry. These are the famous foods and people eat in West India. And when we go to East India, east side of India, rice, fish curry and rasgullas. These are the famous foods in East India. So, from four corners of India, when you see, people are eating different kinds of food. What might be the reason why they are eating different kind? Why can't they eat rice all over India? Why? Because it depends on their climate, it depends on their surroundings, it depends on the crops what they are growing. So based on the climate, they'll grow the crops. So which crops are major crops there? That by using that crop, they are preparing their food. Because of this, their food habits are different in different regions. Based on the crop what they are growing, according to that they are eating. So the crops are grown by the climate. Now you understood? So once again we'll see in East India what they are eating. Rice, rasgullas, fish curry. And in South India, what they are eating? Curd rice, idli sambar. North India, chapati, paneer and pulses. And West India, pav bhaji, bhel puri and fish curry. So you are very familiar with our India in different states, what the people are eating, why they are eating different foods, you understood. Among this all, even though the regions are different, but across India, all over India, some foods are famous. Wherever you go, either it is West India, North India, East India, wherever you go, some food items are famous everywhere. Can you guess which food those are? Which foods? Their idli sambar is famous all over India. And if you know any other food item like this, you can mention in your notebook that. Now we will see the different countries. You understood about our country, different states, how they are eating, what type of food they are eating, you understood. Now we will move on to the England and China. England ruled our India more than 200 years. So their food habits are well known for Indians. Most of the food habits are well known even for us. So what are the special foods for them? They'll make meat with potato pie. The picture what I am showing is meat with potato pie. So this is a famous food in England, and they'll also eat fish along with chips. Fish and chips. Even fish and chips we will eat in India too. So some foods based on the region they are eating, even though they are famous all over the world. Some foods are famous all over the world. So one among that is fish and French fries. And next when we move to China, very close to India China is, and recently we are very familiar with China because of that the virus has spread from here, and we can easily remember the China, right? So here what's the food items are famous? And noodles. Chinese noodles are very famous even in India. You all like Chinese noodles, right? So, and the another dish is dim sum. This is the dim sum. This picture is dim sum. So, this is also famous in China, it seems. And the next one is chicken tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala curry is famous in China, it seems. Not only in China, all over the world, chicken tikka masala is very famous. And fried chicken. Fried chicken is also famous in China. So in England, different types of food people are eating. In China, they are eating different food. Why? Because the same answer. Depending on their climate. Depending on the climate, they'll grow the crops. Depending on the crop, they'll get the food items. And based on that, they'll make their food items. So now you understood the diversity in food. How the different region people are eating different types of food. You understood now, right? Now, shall we move on to the questions which are given in worksheet? Come to the page number 30. Here, different types of food items along with pictures it's given. You need to identify the picture, which food item that is, and it belongs to which state of India, which region, or else south, east, west, north. These four directions we discussed just now. So under the food item which is given in page number 30, you identify the food item and write in which side of the India that food item is famous. For example, only the first line we will discuss now. Remaining all you are going to do as it as homework. Okay. So the first line we will see now. The first line, first picture is given as rice. So rice is famous in East India and even South India. Anything you can write. And fish curry is famous, just now we discussed. In East India it is famous and also in West India too. And rasgulla is famous in West India. Like that, you identify all these types of food and below that, in which part of India it is famous, write down. Okay. And the next question in page 30, why is fish curry not a popular dish in North India? Why it's not a popular dish in North India means it doesn't have the sea coast. Near to the north side there is no sea coast. So most of the people like West India, East India have some coastal areas and near they are very close to the water source. That's why they'll get plenty of fishes there. So their popular food is fish curry. North India doesn't have any coastal areas, no water sources for them. That's why they are not getting the fishes more and fish curry is not so popular there. And now come to page number 31. Here also about different countries. What we discussed about England and China we discussed. Na? So here some pictures, 6 pictures are given. Find out the food item. Is it belongs to England or is it belongs to China? Only the country name write down below the picture. Okay. And the next question is, write down some food items that are eaten in Italy, in Greece, in England and China. So this you browse it and find out in these countries what is the main food item. Find out and write here. And the last one is, pastries and cakes are popular all over India. How did they become popular? Maybe because of their taste. Everybody like the taste of pastries and cake. Might be that they are popular all over the world. So the second one you browse and find out the answer, and the remaining all based on our video you can write children. Okay. So yeah, today's homework is page 30 and 31. Okay. Thank you.